This is so stupid. Just can't sleep. Someone's snoring right down below me. Try to listen. Check him out. There he is. It is pretty loud. You hear that one? It's like the sound of a tiger or a lion roar. Wow. I'm really sorry we can't take him off. Like, you know, get his face like that. He might as well wake up. But at least you heard him. I really can't sleep with all those noises right there. Now you tell me or help me, how am I gonna sleep right now? This is it. Well, anyway, I had fun listening to him. At least it's something worth listening for. I guess. Alright, good night. Mikey.